All right, Julia, I figured out what was going on with that equation. So in the one where we're doing tan pi over 12, we knew that it would be tan 3 pi over 12 minus 2 pi over 12, right? And I know we know how to get all the way to this part right here. So I'm just going to skip to that part because I know you know to get there. And then we get to this part. Um, so looking back at the instructions, when we have a subtraction on the top, we have to have an addition at the bottom, meaning that we should have had a 1 plus root 3 over 3 on the bottom here. And that is where it all changed. So after we do this, we want to go ahead and make sure that we have the right denominator. So we're actually going to multiply this by 3, this by 3. And now that becomes 3 minus root 3 over 3 plus root 3 because it cancels out the 3's, right? So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to rationalize this because we can't have this on the bottom. So we're actually going to multiply this whole thing by fancy form of 1. And we're actually going to use this top equation to do that. We're going to multiply this by 3 minus root 3 and the bottom by the same thing, which is 3 minus root 3. That, oops, is then going to give us 3 times 3, and 3 times root 3 is going to give you, 9 minus root 3, 3 times root 3, and then negative root 3 times another 3, and another negative root 3 is going to give us a minus 3 root 3 again, but now negative root 3 times negative root 3 is going to be a positive root 9, which is the same thing as 3. Okay. Same thing at the bottom. We're going to multiply these. So 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. And then 3 times negative root 3 is going to be negative root 3 over 3. Then positive root 3 times positive 3 is going to give us a plus 3 root 3. And then root 3 times negative root 3 is going to give us a negative root 9, which is also, as we know, a negative 3. After that, we're going to simplify, and that is going to give us a combined total of 9 minus 6 root 3 plus 3. The bottom is going to give us a 9, and then this cancels out, minus 3. Simplifying that even further, we're going to have 9, then 3 plus 9 is going to, 3 plus 9 is going to give us 12 minus 6 root 3, and then bottom is just going to give us 6. After that, as you see, we're going to simplify that, and it's going to be 12 divided by 6 is 2, and then this divided each other is 1, which we can just leave as blank, and then root 3, and we have come to our answer.